Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpulai trek uyayong, ki samla pulia jong ka skolba North Eastern Hill University. Kalapan kotno ya katayo tamasa jong ka kabalane na hadu lai sngi lenter. Hadin baladap perlong ya kita masa berkecil kai baper-per haki ar sngi balalen. Henne kasngi ka bakhaddo jong ni katayo tamasa kabala ai kerteng kafila 2017-2018. Kebala pelong da kanihu Students Union lapan kot no pat da kita masa halorensan bad nalor kijing ruwa jing shat balai shementa da kiken hon jeng kisamla pule ba pule ya ka subject botany zoology bad School of Technology kawai ka bakhampan chongshet ya kisamla kadai kijing kop thai phabre bad rangkan sai ne ka Varsity King and Queen 2018 hagni jing ko bon kisamla pule jong ne skol ba kan thai ba chenrang klai shementa haki raun ba pher Hagani ka sngi ka bakhaddo jongani ka tamasa lasam kusnam ru shabaro kinong job hak jinge ko ba per bakan top ya jinge ko like football basketball cricket futsal penalty shootout pat kiwi
Today I am really impressed by the wealth of talent that was on display. I can see that in our midst we have very talented people of the caliber of Josh Groban, people who are talented in the fields of music, dance, poetry, and so on and so forth. My only appeal to all of you is to keep in mind that each one of us has to leave this world one day, and we should always make it a point to make sure that we leave it a better place than when we found it. One of the best lines that I've come across were the lines by the famous Irish poet William Butler Yeats, who said in one of his poems, a very beautiful poem, "The best lack all conviction, but the worst are full of passionate intensity." Today, as the world around us is changing very dramatically, you either have to be part of the solution or part of the problem. If you're not part of the solution, then you definitely are part of the solution. And if you're not a part of the solution, then you definitely are part of the problem.
Oh, her eyes, made the stars look like they were shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I'll say, when I see your face, it's not a thing that I won't change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing.
Apope. Pineapple, Apope, dance time. Chase Wild. cell phone. Late night waiting for midnight. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Only key know how to turn it on. The way you never lie, my ear, the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long.
Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todo mi sentido va pidiendo más. Estoy que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito. Cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Con las paredes de tu laberinto, pensando en tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Sube, sube.
Pero quiero ser tú, que le enseñes a mi boca mis lugares favoritos. Recuerdas cómo pasar tus olas de pelo, hasta provocar tus gritos y que olvides que pediré.
Si te pido un beso, vendámelo. No sé qué estás pensándolo. Llevo un tiempo intentándolo. También te estás mirándolo. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabes que esa vela está buscando de mi bam bam. Me pruebas de mi boca para ver cómo te sabe. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar el viaje. Empezamos lento, después salvaje. Pasito a pasito, suave suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas, con esa destreza, tu cara es malicia con tu delicadeza.
When peace like a river attending my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my loss thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well, it is well with my soul. And Lord, haste to take when the fate shall be signed. The clouds be rolled back as a scroll. The drum shall resound, and the Lord shall be said. Even so, it is well with my
the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The powerful king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kitem ka bombat ka nagra, kitem sabat ka tuy tara hay hay ka no jing snow pa geleng jaga kipin sawa ushnong uthau uya buja ding ding lariu kak sing ting ting kamarin the ringkat ka masti kakin hoy bait baba bun ulum upoy ladi kapor banyas nopha baladi kapor tamasa katang muriban kapisli pinmiki serpa bang bai tong tong ben rapat sa kamik tian tian ki thaksha kuryau haren san ki atem nyaput galim pung ka shok shit hipuk ding ding lariu kak sing ting ting kamarin the ringkat ka masti kakin hoy bait baba pun belin upoy ladi kapor banyas ngopha baladi kapor tamasa.
Music comes on slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. Taken by the song and long. Never had a feeling quite this wrong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on and soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about us all day long. Never had a feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Alangkah
trên cả núi Tara làm các sinh vật gà lại ra ôi go ôi go
A round of applause, please.
Thank you.